In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your bullet list in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create subpoints under a main bullet for clearer organization, this is the simplest way to do it. We'll keep it straightforward and clear so you can follow along without pausing. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're on the page where your text already uses a bulleted list. This method only works with content that's already formatted as bullets, so confirm you can see the bullet dots next to your lines of text. Once you're there, click directly on the text box to activate it, then click on the exact line you want to turn into a sub-bullet. You can place your cursor anywhere on that line. The key is that the line is selected and the text box is active. Now, press the Tab key on your keyboard. You'll see that the line shifts to the right, creating a lower-level bullet beneath the item above it. That's your extended or nested bullet. If you want that line to sit even further beneath the hierarchy, press Tab again. Each press moves that line one level deeper, so press Tab as many times as you need until the structure looks right for your content. If you press Tab and nothing seems to happen, double check that your cursor is inside the text box and on the line you want to indent. Sometimes the focus can slip to the page. Clicking back into the line and trying again fixes it immediately. And if you ever indent farther than you intended, don't worry. You can always use your standard undo control to step back to the previous level. Build out your structure by repeating this on any other line that should sit under a main point. For example, keep your key ideas at the top level and turn supporting details into sub-bullets. This keeps your message clean and easy to scan. A quick tip for readability: avoid going too many levels deep unless it truly helps your audience. 2 or 3 levels are usually enough to show relationships without clutter. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the text with the bulleted list, select the line you want to nest, and press Tab to create that lower hierarchy. Press Tab as many times as you need to get the structure you want. With this, your bullet lists will look polished, professional, and easy to understand.